Ang bidyong ito ay ipinadala naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na tumangking magpakilala. At mula naman di man ito sa isang babaeng TikTok user na nagbahagi ng kanyang nakapanghingilabot na karanasan. At sa video ngang ito habang ikinukwento niya kung ano ang nangyayari sa loob ng kanyang tahanan, ay meron siyang nakuhana na talaga namang makapanindig balahibo.
Okay, I am recording this to see if anyone can help me. I started seeing it a few days ago. When I got back from my mom's house, I first thought it was a shadow, or I thought it was just something that wasn't there, and now I'm pretty sure it's in here with me. So I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. Okay, so I'm just gonna be talking and seeing. So the weird thing is that if I don't check on it, every so often it starts this.
Maririnig ang mga boses ng tila isa pang tao na nagsasalita sa bidyong ito. Gayong mag-isa lang di umano ang uploader ng mga oras na ito. Pero ang higit na mas nakapangingilabot sa bidyong ito ay nagawa niyang makuhana ng 2 beses ang di umano'y nagpapakita sa kanya. Ayon sa uploader ng bidyong ito ay hindi siya sigurado kung ano ba ito at mukhang hindi naman siya natatakot dito. Pero totoo nga kaya ang kanyang mga nakuhanan sa bidyong ito? Posible kaya na sinundan siya ng isang entity o demonyo sa loob ng kanyang tahanan? Kaya na baka lang umusga. Ang Jordanian ghost hunter na si Ehab Kasmea ay sinubukang mag-imbestiga sa isang abandonadong bahay sa Jordan kung saan sinasabing nanirahan noon ng isang lalaki na madalas di umanong nagkukwento na ginagambala siya ng isang djinn. Sa di malamang dahilan ay bigla na lamang pumanaw ang lalaking ito na natagpo na lamang na wala ng buhay sa kanyang higaan. Pero ayon sa mga residente na naninirahan malapit dito ay nagpapatuloy pa rin di umano ang mga kababalaghan sa loob ng bahay na ito. Kaya naman sinubukan mag-imbestiga ni Ehab ng live para alamin kung may katotohanan nga ba ang mga kwentong ito.
خلينا نحكي هو مفتوح بس خلينا نصور شوي نشوقكم للرعب. طبعا هون في ليلة من الأيام طلعت روح استقرت بالمكان. والله مكان بخوف. بلشت الأصوات خلينا نسكر الباب. طبعا احكي لكم القصة ولا بلاش؟ طيب التلفون بده يضل يخرب. القصة انه بيوم وليلة بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بيوم وليلة. المهم نهاية الموضوع ما والله في صوت سامعين أصوات. أنا مريض. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طبعا أنا متغلب شوي بالتصوير بس مش مشكلة خلينا نمشي. خايف يطلع لي شيء. نقزت من وجهي.
Nagumpisang makarinig si Ehab ng mga boses at mga pagkatok mula sa loob ng bahay. At nang sinubukang silipin ni Ehab kung saan nagmumula ang mga tunog na ito, ay wala naman siyang nakikitang kahit ano.
كأنه الباب بيسكر أقسم بالله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نقزت. الله بسم الله. ده يما ويابا. هنا كان في شي بخوف. يما يا حبيبي أصوات بلشت تطلع. والله في أصوات. ركزوا. البيت صغير بس مرعب. نقزت. يا حبيبي أصوات بلشت تطلع. والله في أصوات. ركزوا. البيت صغير بس مرعب. نقزت. دخيت. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. 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 إيه يا حبيبي. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. 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 يا حبيبي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. تلفون زفت ولا كان تصويره. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله.
Napansin ni Ehab na bahagyang nakabukas na ang pintuan na isinarado niya kanina at maya-maya pa nga ay nakita niya itong sumara ng tuluyan. At nang makarinig na si Ehab ng malakas na tunog mula sa pintuang ito, ay nagpakita na sa kanya mula sa bahaging ito ang tila isang lalaki na may nanlilisik at tumiilaw na mga mata at ito ay nakatitig sa kanya. Sinubukan pang buksan ni Ehab ang pintuan pero wala naman tao na naroon. Pero posible nga kaya na isang djinn ang nakaengkwentro ni Ehab sa bidyong ito. Kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Ang American Ghost Hunting Team na binubuo ni Ryan, River at Wyatt ng YouTube channel na Twin Paranormal ay sinubukang mag-imbestiga sa di umano isang haunted house sa US na ayon sa mga kwento ay pinamumugaran di umano ng mga multo at mga demonyo. At marahil dahil di umano ito sa pagtatayo ng bahay na ito sa lugar na dating libingan ng mga Native Americans. Sinasabing ang bahay na ito ay naging lugar din ng mga gang o sindikato, pati na rin ng mga kulto na nagsasagawa ng kanilang mga ritual para tumawag ng isang entity o demonyo. Kaya naman hindi na di umano nakapagtataka kung bakit binansagaan ang bahay na ito na Demon House. Sa kasalukuyan ng bahay na ito ay hindi na tinitirhan dahil wala naman di umanong makatagal dito dahil sa tindi ng mga pagpaparamdam. Kaya naman naisipan na lang ng bagong may-ari nito na paglagyan na lang ito ng mga haunted na manika na kanyang kinukolekta. At sa umpisa pa nga lang ng pag-iimbestiga ng grupo sa loob ng bahay na ito.
To any of the spirits or entities inside this home, the three of us are here to have a conversation
and find out why you are here and what's making you stay here.
If you're here and you can hear me, to any of the evil entities, please make some knocking sounds.
Oh, dude.
We'd like to hear some really loud ones. Decent. Those are decent, but nothing like what we heard earlier.
We're not here to upset anybody. We just want to know what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and set it right here in this chair. If there are any spirits that don't mean any harm.
Want to come with you.
Whoa!
Oh,
We-
first thing, we want to come with you.
Well, that was a voice.
That was a woman.
Oh, that was running. That was running. Look at my arms. You cannot come with us. Do you have a name?
First thing it says, we want to come with you. He literally warned us to.
Cynthia.
Whoa! What? You just asked
Cynthia.
for her name.
Cynthia. Thank you. What are you doing here?
8 spirits.
8 spirits.
Always try to attach to people. Always try to hurt
I
people.
see 3.
Oh!
Oh! Wait, what?
I see 3.
Okay, that just gave me the chills.
There's 3 of us. Are you talking about us? Wait, do you guys see that?
The motion light.
One of the motion lights. So that table right there has all of our devices. That motion light just turned on. That goes to vibration. We hear you. Are you upstairs?
You need to hide now.
Oh!
You need to hide now.
Whoever's upstairs, if you can hear us, will you make one really loud bang?
That was loud.
Did you hear the scratching sound before that? This house has a weird vibe, dude. It's almost like you want to be quiet. You know what I'm saying?
Is there anywhere you'd like us to go in specific? Maybe where you feel more power?
You need to hide now.
Again, we have not hidden. You can tell us. It's definitely
Yeah, all the sounds so far.
Marks.
Mars.
Buried.
Buried! Marks buried down in the basement. Oh, bro. There are grave marks. There are grave markers down in the basement. There's 3 of them. I see 3.
That's even crazier.
Whoa, this is trippy so far, dude. Apparently someone likes to move the entire chair. Could you do that? Or just touch the REM pod for us?
Marked.
Marked.
Marked?
Run,
Dude!
This one.
It said mark, and then it just said marked right after we...
Whoa. Thank you. Hi. Who is this?
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Whoa!
Dude,
He said the evil ones will call out first and last names.
We haven't even introduced ourselves.
no.
Whoa, those were loud. Those were really, really loud.
If you need any energy, we have these devices in our hands. You can draw energy from them. What the f? That was a really loud one.
It's all upstairs, dude. Whatever that is, it's all upstairs.
It'll show you hell.
What?
We will show you hell.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dude. Is this still Ronald? Or this entity? What if
You
Ronald...
need to hide now.
You need to hide now again. That's the 3rd time.
Nagumpisang magbigay ng mga salita ang kanilang necrophonic app at gusto kong tandaan nyo ang pangalang Cynthia dahil maririnig nyo ito hanggang mamaya. Maya-maya pa ay nakarinig naman ng grupo ng mga yabag mula sa itaas at nakatanggap ng mga salita mula sa kanilang app na tila ba binabalaan sila. Pero nagpatuloy pa rin ang grupo sa kanilang pag-iimbestiga.
Here.
Footsteps.
Footsteps.
What the f- Dude? Did you just hear that? Lee. Way. That was wild. That was right above us. It's in music.
Music.
Trickster.
Trickster.
Any entities in this house, you can come down here and show us what you're capable of. You do not have permission to attach to us or to harm us, but we want to see what you can really do. Can you do that for us?
Forbid.
Did you not hear that?
No.
That was a guy again.
Where's that voice coming from? Are you upstairs?
Joel.
Doll!
Dude. Oh.
You gotta be more specific about the box.
Doll.
Shut up. Is that who's moving around upstairs?
Did you catch that?
That doll in the box, huh?
Hellhound.
Hellhound.
The walls, they will speak.
Whoa!
What the?
The walls, they will speak. What's going on? If you give us that information, we might be able to help you. It
The
just,
walls, they will speak.
again,
Back to back? That's a little
Leave.
leave.
That's a little
Whoa.
too weird, guys. That's also the first time we've been told directly to leave in a very long time.
That was a loud knock. 2 knocks. Here it is.
Again. What? Shut up!
What is that?
The alarm? Steve told me that something sets off the alarm every single night.
What? It just went off and stopped? That's really weird, man. Can we hear your voice?
Clock.
That was weird, dude.
What?
Steve earlier.
12.
No!
way.
Oh, dude!
Whoa!
Wow!
That's amazing. Right now I am sitting in the wheelchair that is said to move around all by itself, and I wanted redemption on these goggles. So I'm going to be doing the Estes method right here. It's kind of trippy. I can already hear somebody trying to talk to us while we are setting up, but we're going to do the Estes method and run the goggles, which supposedly a spirit can use to show me an image of their choosing.
Is there anybody down here with us?
A woman just said, "I can see you."
Whoa.
I can see you. Cynthia? Is this you?
She'll lie.
She'll lie. Why are you saying that? Can you tell us something?
Cynthia.
What? Oh, it said Cynthia!
No
It
way.
says Cynthia!
There's a really deep voiced man who said, "Get up."
Wow. Are you lying to us? Tell us the truth, please.
Whoa, the woman said Lucifer, dude.
Lucifer.
I'm pretty sure I just. Oh, hold on.
Whoa, dude.
That is an image of a dude with a Satan go head. I am not even kidding. He's got 4 fingers on each hand, a glowing blue mask above him, and he has this perfect Satan go head with an upside down cross on his forehead.
No way.
There's a pentagram right here.
Exactly.
Nagsagawa ang grupo ng tinatawag na Estes Method na kung saan ay nagsuot si Wyatt ng headphones para pakinggan ang mga salita na ibibigay ng kanilang spirit box. At gumamit din sila ng isang app na tinatawag na Ghost Troop Seer na sinasabing nagagawang ilarawan ng gustong ipakita ng isang espiritu. At sa kalagitnaan nga ng kanilang Estes Method ay nagbigay ng pangalang Lucifer ang kanilang necrophonic app. At maya-maya pa nga ay nakita ni Wyatt mula sa Ghost Troop Seer ang imahe na naglalarawan sa isang demonyo.
Can you touch that device that's on top of the Ouija board, please? Right in front of us. The one glowing red.
Man said, "I told you I'd show you."
What? Told you I'd show you.
I don't know.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting an image of a woman
What happened?
standing next to. Weird, it almost looks like the front door. She's really pale, her eyes are black.
I just heard scratching.
She's naked.
She's naked.
Most likely.
She doesn't look happy.
That's weird. There's the story of a woman who came down here, got undressed, but she wasn't fully naked.
And she had no idea until they took her out of the house.
Cynthia! Whoa! Man said Cynthia.
So, dude. Felt something touched my head. I'm not even tall enough to hit any of this.
Someone said... okay, a man just said my name. Someone else said, no, the people are here.
Hang on.
That was just a voice or something.
That sounded like somebody crying. Let's get you out of this.
Dude, someone was just crying, like over here. I cannot tell exactly where that came from. That was really weird.
Lumabas mula sa Ghost Job Seer ang imahe ng tila isang babae at narinig din ni Wyatt mula sa kanyang spirit box ang pangalang Cynthia. Kaya naman sa tingin ng grupo ay si Cynthia ang makikita sa larawang ito. Matapos ito ay narinig naman ni Ryan at River ang boses ng isang babaeng umiiyak at dito na nila naisipang ihinto ang Estes method.
We were just about to go outside, and Steve is showing us some footage from his cameras that something is trying to imitate one of our voices. And then the ball just fell down the stairs.
There's a video of one of you guys talking. It's not your voice. Got it right here. Watch. Tell me if this is you. Would have been right about here.
What the
Yeah.
It's like something is trying to imitate one of our voices, and it just slowly going into something else.
Yeah, that was cool. And then there was another one.
Slowly going into something else.
Yeah, that was cool. And then there was another one.
What is that? What is that?
The ball. This is getting freaky.
Told you 2 o'clock. This was you guys' voice. Did you hear? This was. It's right at this door. All right, you got our attention.
Remember when I was doing the Estes and I had the goggles on my head? I said it looked like a woman standing by the front door.
Oh my gosh.
Cynthia.
We had a Cynthia here. What do you guys?
For real?
Yeah, for real. But years ago, she was here. Cynthia was a person who lived in this house back in the 70s, and she died. And so that's funny you said that.
That's wild. Cynthia's been coming through our device like constantly.
I mean,
Whoa.
what?
I can't get over the fact that Cynthia was a person that was
Yeah, she was here.
and
Yep.
she just passed away recently?
No, long time ago.
long time
ago. Yeah, she was here though. Yeah, we had a Cynthia here.
Bumalik ang owner ng bahay para sabihing habang binomonitor niya ang grupo mula sa CCTV ay may narinig siyang mga boses na tila gumagaya sa boses ng tatlo. At nang marinig nga ng owner ang pangalang Cynthia ay ikinuwento nito na noong 1970s ay merong isang babae na nagkangalang Cynthia ang nanirahan at pumanaw sa bahay na ito. Pero may napansin ka bang kakaiba sa bahaging ito ng video? Kung wala ay narito muli ang video at pagmasdan mo ito ng mabuti.
Tell me if this is you. Would have been right about here.
What the?
Yeah.
It's like something is trying to imitate one of our voices, and it just slowly going into something else.
Mula sa bahaging ito habang ang apat ay nag-uusap, nakuhanan ng kanilang kamera ang tila isang anino na lumalakad sa lugar kung nasaan sila. Gayong makikita naman natin na walang sino man sa kanila ang gumagalaw. Hindi ito napansin ng grupo ng mga oras na ito hanggang sa may upload na ang video ito sa YouTube at ituro lang ito ng kanilang mga viewers. Pero di pa dyan nagtatapos.
Okay, so we are in this room where Steve had told us that a lot of people, including him, usually play a game called Sandman. That's why he's...
I may have just put a hole in the seat.
That's why we freaked out when we were in the woods, because we were told about the Sandman game. They have a mirror right here, and the goal is to kneel at each one of these chairs, and you say Sandman 3 times. Apparently, it's like summoning a demon or the devil. So we'll see.
Dude, stop.
What was that?
I have no idea. That came from the basement.
Yeah. You guys want to try?
Let's do it. We'll have to set it on the floor. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start it, and I'm gonna go kneel at my chair.
Yep.
We're gonna call out to the entity inside this house. On the count of 3, we say Sandman 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sandman! 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 I'm gonna pick up the recorder. Okay, I wanna sit right here.
Yeah.
No, it says Sandman. Oh my god.
No way. That is one of the craziest things we've ever captured, dude.
Sinubukan ng grupo ang di umano'y laro na tinatawag na Sandman na ayon sa owner ng bahay na ito ay isinasagawa di umano ng mga bumibisita rito para tawagin ang isang entity o demonyo na binansagan nilang Sandman. At habang binabanggit nga ng grupo ang pangalang Sandman ay makikita mula sa bintanang ito sa likuran ni Ryan ang tila pares ng mga matang umiilaw na tila ba nagmamasid sa kanila. Ang mga tunog at mga pagpaparamdam kayang ito na naidokumento ng grupo ay mga patunay na totoong haunted ang binansagang Kansas Demon House. May mga multo nga kaya at demonyo na naninirahan sa bahay na ito. Kayo, ano sa palagay nyo? Ang bidyong ito ay ipinadala naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na si Elsa Moto. At mula naman ang bidyong ito kay TikTok user, Kuyang Carl. Kuha ang bidyong ito sa CCTV ng isang bahay, isang gabi matapos di manong misteryosong umandar ang isang e-bike. Makikita sa bidyong ito na ilang ulit na nagpaikot-ikot ang e-bike. Yun ay kahit wala namang tao na nagmamaneho dito. Pero ang ilan sa mga nakapanood ng bidyong ito ay nagsasabing meron silang nakikitang isang puting imahe na siyang nagmamaneho ng e-bike na ito. Narito muli ang video at pagmasdan mo ito ng mabuti. Sa totoo lang ay wala akong nakikitang puting imahe. Pero kung meron man kayong nakikita ay comment nyo lang yan sa ibaba ng video ito. At malaya din kayong i-comment sa ibaba ang inyong mga opinyon. Ang video ito ay itinag naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na si Ronald T. Aguiles. At mula naman ang video ito kay Facebook user Rainiel Tiglao. Ayon kay Rainiel ay kuha ang bidyong ito isang gabi matapos nilang makarinig ng mga kakaibang tunog na nagmumula sa kakahuyan na malapit sa kanila. Sinubukan nila itong puntahan para subukang hanapin ang pinagmumula ng mga tunog na ito.
May naririnig kaming something na sumisigaw dun sa may bandang gubat. Tapos biglang tumahol itong mga aso. So, ang lakas ng sigaw. Narinig mo yon? Yan. Kaya nga dyan ko rin narinig eh. Dyan. Diyan sa may kawayanan. Punta natin. Eh baka mamaya kung ano na yun, nakakatakot. Kakatakot. Ang lakas ng sigaw, parang baby. Kaya nga yun nga yung nasa isip ko, parang tiyanak. Ang lakas. Akala ko ibon lang. Pero bigla namang nagsipagtahulan yung mga aso. Takot ako. Baka naman may baby dyan na itinapon. Hala. Hala, yun. Hala, yun. Hala, yun. Narinig mo? Hala. Tara, tara. Sumama si si Buniknik. Yun. Si Buniknik. Nandito na po kami sa may gubat. Masukal dyan. Paano tayo? Kinakabahan ako. Antayin nating mag-ingay ulit. Natatakot ako. Wala man lang tayo. There is really something out there. Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. Aswang or ano. Hindi ko na-record yung sigaw to. Ako na-record ko yung sigaw. O Buniknik.
Nagawang may record ni Rainiel ang tiyo man yung mga kakaibang tunog na naririnig nila nung gabing ito. Pero bigo sila na makanap kung ano man ang pinagmumula ng mga ito.
Hala, yun! Hala, yun!
Ayon kay Rainiel ay para di man na itong isang batang umiiyak. At ito ang unang beses na nakarinig sila ng ganitong tunog. At maging ang kanyang mga kasama ay hindi alam kung ano ang lumilikha ng mga tunog na ito. Pero ayon sa mga comments sa video ito, ay posibleng isa lamang itong huni ng ibon. Habang ang iba naman ay nagsasabi na baka isa itong tiyanak. Dahil sa mga ganitong liblib na lugar tiyo mano, madalas may nagtatapo ng mga sanggol. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, sana ay mag-iwan ka ng like at ng iyong komento. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na ito, ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago nating upload. O paano? Paalam mo na sa ngayon at kita-kits na lang sa susunod nating video. Maraming salamat! Hi! Kung meron kang mga videos na pwede nating i-content sa ating munting channel, i-email mo lang ito sa sircripstv@gmail.com o kaya naman na i-PM mo lang ako sa ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat!